In this video, we're going to be looking at circles. So we're going to start off by looking at the major features. The first thing is what it's called, really. So a line all the way across a circle passing through the center is known as a diameter, and half that distance is called a radius from the center to the outside. A line that touches a circle just once, like this one, is called a tangent. And a line that cuts through a circle but isn't a diameter is known as a chord. Now, a chord will split a circle into two pieces, and those pieces are called segments. The smallest segment is known as a minor segment, like this one. The larger area is called a major segment. And the final thing to know is that a piece of a circle cut from the center, like a pizza slice, is called a sector. So we're going to look at some basic things now, drawing and using circles. So we need, for this example, a compass and we need a ruler. So first of all, we're going to draw a circle that has a radius of 5 centimeters. So you first of all need to adjust your compass so that it has a distance from center to pencil of 5 centimeters. That's going to act as the radius. And so when we draw the circle, it does of course have that there. That's a radius of 5. Now, to do the next part, we're going to need to draw a radius again. It's probably a good idea to mark where the center is. So I'll pop that there. That's going to be our marker from the center. So now, when we put our ruler on it, we can draw straight from that dot to the outside. That's going to be a radius. Now, we now need to draw a chord. A chord cuts a circle and it needs to be perpendicular to this radius, so that means at 90 degrees and 3.3 centimeters from the center. So I've moved my ruler so that 0 is at the center, so I can see that 3.3 centimeters is about there where that black dot is. Now, to draw a perpendicular line, we can use our compass and ruler. I'm going to mark some points equal distance from 3.3 centimeters. So I'm going to mark that point, which is 1.5 to the left, and this point, which is 1.5 to the right. Now, that's really, really important because now we're going to take the compass and we're going to set it for over half the distance away from that other point there, and we're going to do a swish. So let's change color and we'll do a swish there like that and bring it down and a swish across there. Without changing the length of the compass, move the point to the other side and repeat the process, and they will cross each other in two places. That's exactly what we want, because now we can get the ruler and we can rotate it round and connect up those two dots with each other, and that is going to be our chord. Excuse me. There we go. Let's move that up a little bit. Okay. Now then, what's the length of the chord? Well, from there we can see that it's about 7.8 centimeters, 78 centimeters. Okay, now then, on to the next example. We're going to this time draw a circle which has a radius of 3. So this time we'll get our compass again and we will set it to 3. So put the point of it on 0. And adjust it so that we have 3 centimeters like that. Okay, so now we can draw the circle. There it is. We're now going to draw a chord of length 5 centimeters. So pick up the ruler, and by trial and error really is all we need to do at this stage, is to try to get a chord that is 5 centimeters. So there, that looks about 5. So join them up, and there's our chord there, that cuts the circle. We need to draw a perpendicular bisector now. Now, a perpendicular bisector is a line that cuts that chord at 90 degrees, passing through its center. So we first need to mark the center, and if it's 5 centimeters in length, the center is going to be here at 2.5 centimeters. Now, just like last time, we need to draw 2 points equal distance away from that centre. So I've marked these 2 points to the left and right that are 1.5 centimetres away. We're now going to get the compass, excuse me, and we are going to set it and draw just over half the distance, like that, so the lines cross each other a couple of times. So once from there, and moving to the other side, put that there, and again there. And now, if we remove the compass, we can join those up together. And that is going to be our perpendicular bisector. There, like that. Now, what is the length of the new chord found by using this perpendicular bisector? Well, if we measure it, we can see that it's 6 centimetres on that. And of course, it looks like it's a diameter. It is a diameter. And if the radius was 3, then the diameter is 6. So that's how we complete the questions. You should now be able to answer the exercise. Good luck.